Okay, so g'day and welcome back to These Coins and Banknotes, and in today's video we're looking at 5-cent coins. So if you don't believe the 5-cent coins, just flip one around. And I'm only focusing on 2017 to 2024 because basically that's when the numbers of all the coins, all the denominations crashed. And I would say that's specifically based on electronic type banking, which has moved people away from cash and put them into using card to actually pay for stuff. So everyone does it, but a lot of people do it a lot more than others. Some people don't use cash. Some people use cash all the time. And I know the amount of people using cash is under 20%. So basically 80-90% of all payments are in card these days, man. So we're going to look at the actual mintages of these coins and see which ones I myself would actually keep. So here we are on the Royal Australian Mint website. This is probably the best place to actually get this data, although it might, if you look at the annual report, it might be a bit different. And if you look at catalogs, that also might be a bit different. That could be mistakes, or maybe someone has gotten better data, because this would have mistakes. So here we have the dates, the mintages, and who minted them. So we've got the Royal Mint London, Royal Australian Mint, and also the Royal Canadian Mint. They're three mints, but most of them are minted in Canberra. Okay, so as you can see, the mintages are quite high. 1972, 8.3 million. That seems to be the date people look for, because a lot of the coins are in low grade. So you can get high grade coins. They're a bit expensive, but to get them in change is actually a good bonus. And the first over 100 million was 1976. So as you can see, the coins all high mint up until pretty much 2008, and that was the last year of over 100 million. And then we got 2009, 10, and then numbers just decrease. Then we got 2016, which we have the second lowest minted coin with 4.8 million. That's a commemorative, so I'm not worried about that. And that's the commemorative 5-cent issued for circulation. They do have other commemorative 5-cent coins issued in sets and that. Okay, and the last minted coin is the 2019 JC with only 2 million. Although for 2019 they pretty much mint 48 million coins. And as you can see, the mintage of this one, these series, is actually quite small when you compare it even to the 1970s. And you need to include the population growth, and also a negative factor would be inflation, which has reduced the purchasing power of 5 cents, which used to be about 60 or 70 cents you can buy it. So they would have circulated a lot more than what they do now. Current 5-cent coins, it's really just changed. You can't buy anything with it, and basically I don't even pick them up if I see a 5-cent coin on the ground. It's like, yeah, it's not really worth my energy. And currently now, I heard a report that it costs about, 10 to 15 cents to actually produce a 5-cent coin. So maybe it's about time they actually got rid of these. Not really worth anything. And then we have the new 2024 10 million. So these are probably still being minted, but time will tell. And obviously there was no 2023 because the 2022 was minted over 2 years. So basically it's only like 25 million coins per year. That's quite low. Okay, so we're looking at coin purchases from the mint by external parties. So one thing I haven't taken into account before was that is this all fresh coins, or is it recirculated coins, so coins that the mint have gotten back and have released out into circulation again? But anyway, that's a side note. And as you can see from the purchase of 5-cent coins, which is this column, so where's the highest? Okay, 2005, 2006, 10 million coins. And you need to multiply this by 20, so it's probably about 200 million coins people ordered. And ever since then, it's just decreased. And with the current financial year, we only had, if we round it down, about 900,000. So that's that will be 18, probably 19 million coins that were ordered. That's the lowest number ever. So even if they have coins in stock, there would be no need to actually mint 10 million coins if really people are just not ordering. So the low number is probably because a lot of places they don't use 5-cent coins as change anymore. Like you go to a supermarket, most things are rounded into the 10 cent. Petrol would use the actual 5-cent coins, because obviously if you're paying by cash, which most people probably don't, you only get 5-cent coin back. Obviously you can't use 5-cent coins in most vending machines. I know in Melbourne, using the Met card, they don't accept 5-cent coins to actually top it up. It's 10, 20 cent. They don't even accept 50-cent coins, they're too big. So a lot of vending machines would cancel them out. Obviously the small purchasing power, and obviously you're buying stuff, it's like $3, $4, $5 and up, really. And a lot of them are probably just rounded up to the closest 10 cent. Okay, and then we have mintages going back to 2017. And roughly it's about 30 million coins, 2017, 18, 19, roughly around that range. Then we had a bump 2021, so that's when we opened up, but obviously it's just crashed again. So with all that information, as you can see, these are all the coins from 2017 5-cent that I've gotten in change of this date. Doesn't mean I haven't actually got an avid date. I do have quite a few avid date coins. Most of them are pre-2016, so which are a lot of high mint coins. So we have 2017. What was the mintage of that one again? That has the mintage of 18.6. So that's not really a high mint for a 5-cent coin. But what you'd be looking for is errors. And yeah, I do like the 5-cent coin. Okay, 2018, 25.1 million. So this one I just recently gotten changed, and it does have some circulation, but obviously because they don't circulate that well, it doesn't really have that much. 2019, this one has 46.2. This is the Ian Rank Broadley effigy. And as far I believe these ones do have the rim problem. This one's a lot of scratches. And then we have the one with the Jodie Clark, which I don't have. I've never actually got any of those, but I do have the 2020 Jodie Clark. I only got 2. And these ones, 49.9 million, so they're pretty common. You shouldn't find it hard to actually get one in circulation. And if you play up the light, it looks like it's got doubling, so you need to make sure that that is not the case. So that's actually quite a nice effigy, not too bad. And then we have the next coin. So the last two, 2021 and 2022, in which case the same thing. Just make sure there's no doubling. So 2021 and 36.7, and this one 49 million, and that was issued over 2 years. So it's like 1936 over again, where they issued 1936 coins, also 1937 for Australia. Obviously other countries they didn't. And he has an echidna with the should be two variations. So this one has the line up the top, it looks like. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the line going up across the echidna. And the other coin, does it have the line? No, it doesn't. So it looks like it might be the older version issued before 2010, which they change it because if you make the engraving with the line at the top a lot shallower, it actually saves the die putting too much pressure, which can actually damage the actual die over time. So anyway, that is what I would do if I was going to collect 5-cent coins. I just get these for just to sell as a whole set, but I've never actually gotten a whole set that's good to actually keep. So basically these are just probably just going into my collection as space fillers until I get better coins. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. And the next video, which I will do, today is the 21st of December 2024, is the 20-cent coin, which, yeah, we'll see the mintages. Anyway, thank you and goodbye.